taste this.
I'm like, hell no. I want y'all special sauce.
With this mild sauce, y'all, on nachos. This some Getto. This some hype made
There's
up.
some sour cream up in that jar. We should walk on.
Yeah, that's cool. I want that.
I look too fat right back up there.
It's okay.
What happened when she messed it up?
But it ain't nothing wrong.
So you just said, just give it to me.
It's just like you got a little
Oh, so he
barbecue
didn't
sauce
pay
on
for
there.
English pub with Bobby.
It's like a pregnant combo right here, y'all.
I know, right?
It ain't that bad, though.
It's not.
And she said it's not that bad.
Ain't that bad?
Mm-mm.
Y'all gonna eat?
Okay, come on.
Oh, but I smell that. That smells sweet. I'm not eating nachos for them to be sweet. Bro.
It'll make it a little sweet, y'all.
This time it smells.
That's why I ain't even taste it. I'm like, what? I said, it's good.
Okay. What you say, Ring?
I got to a car park crazy when it comes.
Oh, yeah, you got my ketchup powder.
You know you have reached the hood. When they put mild sauce
You gonna be okay?
on your nacho. It ain't that bad, y'all.
It's actually good.
Yeah.
You know you
it
in
is
the wood.
actually good.
You know you on 56. What say you know you on 57?
And then you know you have reached the hood.
You know you got
Yeah,
mild
okay.
sauce on my nacho. Mild sauce on my nacho. For a city us again. Y'all know I don't really like this mall. But my cousin is here with us today after church. Bless his heart. And we are going to thank you. We are going out to eat across the street. Thank you. Thank you, cuz. So we shall see. Yeah, well, these your type of shirts. You probably get that one. Oh my gosh, they got it, yeah.
Yeah, I used to love Hello Kitty.
Is these two with it?
Let me try it.
Yeah, we don't think they do. Y'all remember I was showing y'all this stuff?
Oh, yeah, you can look on, cuz.
This is stockwear. Most of it. Them shut up.
Yeah.
Sexy. I'm gonna just say sexy, y'all.
Why you say that, cuz?
It is. You can tell from the outside it's stockwear. We try to dress models over here. We don't want the man that's want to just see you naked. Nah. God don't want us naked, y'all. He want to see us covered up.
This is lady y'all on there yesterday.
Yep, with the bottoms, yep. They out here already, y'all. It ain't even summertime. She hit on these at the nail shop. Like everybody was saying, it's a time and place for everything. This cute, Rainy. Them pants. Oh, I thought it was skirts.
This is a set.
Oh. Ain't gonna lie, I'm about fashion. And I ain't gonna lie, some of this stuff be cute, but I can't wear it. We gotta dress modest. She looking for a shirt. Yeah, you gonna find a shirt, all right. So. Auntie Bookie stuff. Yeah, she do.
I'm going. I'm wasting my time.
Yeah, 'cause them sweaters. All right, God bless you. You too. We knew on the outside. Oh, yeah. Yeah. She don't wear skinny legs no more. And high waist. What? What you saying, cuz? Oh. Got shoulders like back. Back. Shoulders like back, like that. Yeah, and then knees a little more. Yup, and then you gotta hunch your shoulders back like this. Like this, Chris, look. Like this. I know, like this, look. Like you doing like this, look. Look y'all, like this. Like that. Y'all, I don't know, no. Okay, no, let me make it a little lighter maybe so you can get it. Come on. Like this. Like you bringing it down like this, yeah, like this. Y'all, coming to be continued, y'all, because I don't know. Yup, shoulders like back. Back, shoulders like back, like that. Yeah, and then knees a little more. Yup, and then you gotta hunch your shoulders back like this. Like this, Chris, look. Like this. I know, like this, look. Like you doing like this, look. Look y'all, like this. Like that. Y'all, I don't know, no. Okay, no, let me make it a little lighter maybe so you can get it. Okay. You can stop.
Yes, right. Stop. Little bun. Plenty of stuff.
Extra cool.
Get some chips.
Why did you guys say that, though? No, I said it different. Like, just knowing that's in you.
Bro, can you stop?
That was something on.
I think so. What your mama say? She in denial. What movie is that from? Wipe your mouth. Okay. With the napkin, man.
You sound like my homie. Like a year ago. My homie, I don't like.
I'm done recording. You're not recording nothing else on my stuff.
What happened?
Cause she just eating off.
I'm ready to get up.
What's she doing? Fessed up.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Big car. Oh, mom. That's what she doing. Please stop. Please.
Are you done?
For the life of me.